Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On the morning of Saturday, February 6, the celebration of one of the most special dates on the calendar took place. The party of the inspectorial community reached its 7th edition following those held in Valencia, Sant Antonio Abad, Utrera, Villena, Barcelona, Horta, Sevilla, Trinidad and Malaga with a new format due to the health situation. The pandemic prompted a suspension of the in-person encounter that in previous appointments brought together hundreds of Salesian from different points of inspectorate geography. This time he bet on a hybrid format that brought different communities together locally with a shared program. The day started with the celebration of the Eucharist in each of the communities in communion with all the brothers of Salesian Inspector Maria Auxiliadora. This moment featured a special memory to everyone who has passed away in the last year, especially to those who died due to coronavirus. Subsequently, to reduce physical distance, a connection was made between all the houses that had greetings and words of encouragement from the inspector. Later, the projection of a video tribute to the 20 of Salesians who fulfilled during this course the 25, 50 and 75 years of priesthood ordination or religious profession and the houses of Granada, Elche, San Jose, Artisano and Linares celebrating their anniversaries. A historic day in which it was not wanted to stop celebrating the party by fostering fellowship and the sense of family, which was close, thanking the Lord for the Salesian vacation and for Don Bosco, asking for all presences, young people and collaborators from the works and with a commitment to meet again to recover the pending hugs. From February 25th, the new site of the Salesian Bulletin is online. Completely renovated in graphic and style, it aims to improve the use of news. A simple and direct way of communicating according to Don Bosco's teaching, featured headings and articles can be consulted individually and you can download the number of interests or read it directly online. The content also fits reading from mobile devices to read it at any time. In a fraternal and friendly climate, the 2021 Pastoral Coordinators meetings was held via the Zoom platform. The meeting was attended by all the pastoralists from the various Salesian houses of Peru, led by Father Martin Cipriano, SDB, delegate for the Salesian Youth Ministry of Peru. In addition, Father Inspector Manuel Cayo, SDB, was present. There were moments of prayer, meditation and personal reflection. In addition, collaborative work was enjoyed and resources and experiences were shared for this pastoral year. At the conclusion of the meeting, the commitments with regard to the pastoral proposal for this year were reaffirmed. Hope moves us. Today, the 1st March 2021, is the Dies Natalis of Venerable Otavio Ortiz Ureta, Salesian Bishop. He was the first Salesian priest and the first Salesian Bishop of Peru and still very young. He was called a pearl of Salesian. He was a model of a bishop and became a martyr of duty. His life was a continuous journey for long days on horseback, on foot, on the mountain range, in the forest, on the rivers. He always kept the Salesian style, amiable, welcoming, usually cheerful, close to the people. He shunned honors and was a man of great interior life, always united with God. When he preached, everyone felt his priestly holiness and the flame of God's love that burned in his heart. On February 19, Salesians celebrated the 95th anniversary of their arrival in the city of Evora. It was in fact February 19, 1926 when the first Salesian community composed of the priests Luis Sutera and Carlos Frigo settled in a very humble form. After the first days, already in the academic year 1926 to 1927, there were 40 students attending the oratory Sao Jose, the initial designation of the Salesians of Evora. At the beginning of 1929 to 1930, classes of all years of primary education were already active. Today, the Salesians of Evora, directed by Don Simao Cruz, SDB, have an educational offer that goes from kindergarten to middle school, attended by over 650 students. About 650 subscribers attend the extracurricular activities of Arti Sport and Music Centro, and almost 200 users receive support from the Salesian social service Solsal Evora. The Salesian presence in the city also includes the parish, Mary Help of Christians, and the Salesian Library. The community of the Salesian Vocational Training Center, Don Bosco, Iringa, has organized a career day for its students, especially those of the third year who will soon enter the world of work. Directors and managers from various companies in the Iringa region were invited to participate in the event, who are potential employers for students of the Salesian Center and who have directed students to the different career techniques that the labor market requires. The Projects Office of the Salesian Province of Bolivia of Probol, through the Skills Development Program supported by the Belgian Salesian NGO via Don Bosco, benefits more than 5,000 young people from La Paz, Santa Cruz and Cochabamba. Thanks to the development of an emergency plan together with the network of technical training centers of Salesians and Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, to date they have been able to guarantee about 10 centers the biosecurity tools necessary to start activities in the semi-present mode. The protocols provide for temperature control, foot cleaning, disinfection, fumigation of environments and instruments wherever there are group changes. Disinfectant alcohol was also provided to students, faculty and managers, and signage was implemented for proper prevention. From Salesianos, Girona, through the new project of the social education platform, a group of young people between 16 and 25 years old and their team of educators with the collaboration of the Joel Espai Jove present Refem El Futur, We Redo the Future, a video clip that fosters peace and the fight against racism among all people.
Si queremos la paz, empecemos por educar la generación para que haya aceptación. Si queremos la paz, empecemos por educar la generación para que haya aceptación. Si no encuentro la paz en mí, es por lo que sufrí. Si no veo la paz en ti, vamos a resistir. Si no trobo la paz en mí, es porque no es para ti. Si no veig la paz en tu, la farem al futur. Si no encuentro la paz mundial, quizá podré con la mía.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.